I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and a stable network. Make sure your Huawei phone supports multi-screen collaboration. Check PC drivers or tablet settings. Turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and proximity pairing. Connect both devices to the same network or plug a USB cable for faster setup. Once done, unlock the phone and open the control panel. Swipe to reveal multi-screen icon and tap it. You're initiating the link now. Don't move to the next step until you see a pairing prompt. You'll now connect and choose how you want screens to interact. On your phone, select the detected PC or tablet. On the other device, accept the incoming request and allow permissions for screen sharing and file transfer. Once paired, choose Mirror to duplicate, extend to use both displays as one workspace, or Control to operate the phone from the PC. Make sure to tailor resolution and input options for smooth performance. Enable keyboard and clipboard sharing if you want seamless typing, and drag and drop files. Finish by verifying audio, touch, and input routing so you don't lose functionality during use. Test sound playback and microphone input, then drag an app to the extended screen to confirm responsiveness. If latency or disconnects appear, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then reconnect multi-screen. Restart both devices if necessary. If problems persist, switch to a USB connection for a stable, high-bandwidth link. This single troubleshooting tip, try wired fallback, resolves most intermittent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.